These machines redefine what the word heavy means in the automotive world. These cars weigh more than some military vehicles and somehow still move. From ultra-luxury limousines to industrial-strength trucks and battery-powered behemoths, each vehicle on this list pushes engineering to extremes while remaining road legal. Their sheer mass isn't an accident. It's the result of purpose, design, and uncompromising ambition. Number 5. Bentley Mulsanne. The Bentley Mulsanne is a luxury sedan that carries its weight with grace rather than brute force. At roughly 5,950 pounds, it owes much of its mass to handcrafted materials, extensive sound insulation, and a traditional steel-intensive construction. Thick leather hides, real wood veneers, and layered acoustic glass all add pounds, but they also create one of the quietest cabins ever fitted to a production car. Under the hood sits a massive twin-turbocharged V8 designed for effortless torque rather than outright speed. The Mulsanne was engineered to glide at highway speeds while barely disturbing its passengers. Even the doors and seats are heavier than those found in most cars due to reinforced frames and luxury mechanisms. This weight contributes to a sense of solidity that owners often describe as vault-like. Despite its heft, the Mulsanne is far from sluggish. The V8 produces immense low-end torque, allowing the car to surge forward smoothly without drama. Advanced air suspension constantly adjusts to compensate for body mass and road imperfections. The braking system is oversized to safely manage repeated stops from speed. Bentley's engineers carefully balanced weight distribution to preserve stability during cornering. Long wheelbase proportions further enhance ride comfort and composure. The result is a vehicle that proves extreme weight can still coexist with refinement, performance, and effortless motion. Number 4. Mercedes-Maybach Pullman. The Mercedes-Maybach Pullman is less a car and more a rolling executive suite. Weighing in at approximately 6,100 pounds, its mass comes from sheer size, reinforced construction, and unparalleled interior luxury. The extended wheelbase alone adds hundreds of pounds compared to standard luxury sedans. Rear passenger compartments are fitted with powered seats, thick carpeting, and extensive soundproofing. Structural reinforcements improve ride smoothness and rigidity across the stretched body. Large doors, privacy partitions, and high-end electronics further increase overall weight. Every inch of the Pullman prioritizes comfort over efficiency. Moving such a heavy limousine requires serious power and engineering discipline. A smooth V12 engine provides the torque necessary to move the Pullman without strain. The suspension system is specifically tuned to isolate passengers from road imperfections while managing the vehicle's substantial mass. Steering inputs are softened to maintain composure rather than agility. Massive brakes ensure consistent stopping power even when fully loaded. The Pullman's calm driving experience disguises just how heavy it truly is. It stands as proof that luxury, length, and weight often go hand in hand. Number 3. Ford F-450 Super Duty. The Ford F-450 Super Duty is built with a singular mission: extreme work. Depending on configuration, its curb weight approaches 9,000 pounds, making it one of the heaviest production pickups ever sold. Thick steel frame rails form the backbone of the truck, designed to handle massive towing forces. Heavy axles, reinforced suspension components, and a dual rear-wheel setup add substantial mass. A large diesel engine contributes additional weight while delivering immense pulling power. Oversized cooling systems are required to manage heat under heavy loads. Everything about the F-450 is engineered for durability first. That weight translates directly into capability. The truck's mass provides stability when towing trailers that can exceed 30,000 pounds. Steering and suspension are calibrated to keep the vehicle planted even under extreme stress. Brakes are enormous to safely bring the truck and its cargo to a stop. Despite its size, modern power steering and transmission tuning make it surprisingly manageable on the road. The F-450 feels less like a pickup and more like a road-legal industrial machine. Its sheer heft is a necessary trade-off for its unmatched work capacity. Number 2. Ram 3500 Heavy Duty. The Ram 3500 Heavy Duty rivals the largest trucks on the road in both size and mass. With a curb weight ranging from 8,500 to nearly 9,000 pounds, it is engineered to withstand relentless punishment. A fully boxed steel frame provides exceptional rigidity under load. Solid axles and heavy-duty suspension components add durability and weight. Large driveline components are built to transfer massive torque without failure. Even the truck's body panels are thicker than those found on lighter pickups. This vehicle is unapologetically overbuilt. All that mass directly benefits real-world performance under load. The Ram 3500 remains stable when hauling enormous fifth-wheel trailers. Its weight helps resist sway and improves control during high-stress towing scenarios. Advanced braking systems are necessary to manage momentum at speed. Despite its industrial nature, modern cabins add comfort features that further increase weight. Steering and traction systems are carefully tuned to handle both pavement and job site conditions. The Ram 3500 shows how extreme mass becomes an asset rather than a drawback in heavy-duty applications. Number 1. GMC Hummer EV. The GMC Hummer EV redefines heavyweight status in the modern automotive era. Tipping the scales at approximately 9,060 pounds, it is the heaviest production passenger vehicle ever sold. The majority of this mass comes from its enormous battery pack, which alone weighs several thousand pounds. Heavy electric motors at each axle add even more weight. Reinforced underbody armor is required to protect critical components off-road. Massive wheels and tires further increase unsprung mass. Everything about the Hummer EV is built on a colossal scale. Yet despite its staggering weight, the Hummer EV delivers shocking performance. Instant electric torque allows it to accelerate far faster than vehicles of similar mass. Advanced suspension systems compensate for weight during off-road articulation and on-road comfort. Rear-wheel steering enables surprisingly tight maneuverability for such a large vehicle. Braking systems are among the largest ever fitted to a production truck. Engineers had to rethink nearly every aspect of vehicle dynamics to make it drivable. The Hummer EV stands as the ultimate example of how modern technology can move something that seems almost impossibly heavy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time.